Namaste, hello and welcome to our special program on ICT tools. This is a webinar on the title Creation and Presentation Using Bunsi. Well, you will be thinking, what is Bunsi? Let me tell you, Bunsi is a web-based tool for creating interactive multimedia presentations. But we are going to learn in this webinar how is this Bunsi useful and helpful for students and for teachers. What all can you do around it, regarding it, with it, and how can you play with it, how can you make it fun. So it is for all the students, parents and teachers who are watching this webinar, and I'm sure after this session you'll learn a lot about what Bunsi is all about. And we're going to talk about this webinar in this webinar till next 1 hour. So if you have any questions, any queries related to Bunsi, then please give us a call on our toll-free numbers. The numbers are 1800112199 and 1800111265. You can also email us your queries on ciet.kishoremanch@gmail.com. You're watching us live on our YouTube channel, which is NCERT Official. You can write down your questions, your queries in the live chat box of the same channel. You're watching us live on SWAYAM Prabha's channel number 31, Kishore Manch. It's time to meet our expert for this webinar. We have with us Mrs. Pawan Dubey. Welcome, ma'am. Ma'am.
Thank you, Tanvi.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am is a PGT in Computer Science from International Public School, Bhopal, and she'll be informing us about Bunsi. Let's begin with our discussion on this topic: creation and presentation using Bunsi. Ma'am, the name is very creative, Bunsi, but what exactly it does? Can you please explain it to me and to our viewers as well?
Yes, sure. Thank you so much, Tanvi, for a brief introduction, and good evening to all viewers. Namaskar. So here today we are going to discuss about Bunsi, and Bunsi is one of the great tool. When you will just use it, you will find love with this Bunsi, because with Bunsi you can create your content very effectively, very interactive. So I think you can see on my screen. Can you see on my screen, Tanvi?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Okay, so here we are starting with a Bunsi, how you can log in with this Bunsi tool. Okay, so here I'm going to share with you the link. This is the site where you can just click on and you will find the Bunsi platform. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera. It's up to you which browser you would like to use.
Okay.
So this is the URL for Bunsi. In the address bar, you will type only bunsi.com and you will just land on the page of Bunsi.
Okay.
This is the tool where you can create presentation, you can animate that presentation, you can insert pictures, you can insert clip art, and you can make your presentation in very effective manner. Okay. Now, I will take you on the next page, how you are going to sign up on this page. When you will click on Bunsi tool, it will take you on the sign up page. Here you can see the sign up area and login. After that, you will get one more option here, get started for free. So here I will just take you on live on that particular platform which we are going to use. So here I'm going to just switch my screen. Yes, Tanvi, from your side, I just want to know, you can see on my screen what is written.
It's written 30-day free trial, and yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Tanvi. So, see, viewer, this is the site where we are going to work for Bunsi. So, in the address bar, the cursor you can see here, you are going to type bunsi.com.
Okay.
After that, this page will appear on your screen. Then you can see I have logged in as a Pawan Dubey because I have used my Gmail account. I will just take you on previous page. buncee.com. You are going to just type buncee.com and then it will take you on that particular page.
Okay.
So already my ID is login here. That's why I have just landed on my first page only. So,
but ma'am, can you show us if I have to log in, sign up? So
yes.
what all formalities will it ask for?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just going to show you.
Okay.
So here you can just see buncee.com. On the address bar, you are going to type buncee.com. It will take you on this front page. Here I'm going to just use another browser.
Okay. So, ma'am, it's written.
I'm going to just log out from here.
Okay.
And then I will show you how you can log in. This is the first page. When you will click on buncee.com, it will land you on this page. And then you are going to click on sign up. When you will click on sign up button, you will see here is the option get started for free. So we are going to start with the free option only. And one more option you can see on the desktop. This is the login page. If I will click on login page, you will find these three options. Here you are going to type your email ID if you have already created. But I prefer always go for your already created Gmail account. And if you have your Microsoft account, you can go and log in with that also.
Okay.
So here I am going to log in with my Google account.
Okay. That's an easy process.
Yes. So when I will click on my Google account, it will take you on my page.
All right.
Yes. Now you can see Tanvi on my screen. This is the first page of Buncee.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are going to start with our presentation, how we can create Buncee or our presentation using this platform.
All
okay.
right.
So
sure.
Here I will just take you, create a new Buncee. No need to go anywhere. You can just click on this plus sign. You can see on my screen, this plus sign. Just click on this plus sign. It will ask you, create on Buncee 3.0. So here 3.0 is the new platform for Buncee. This is the new version of Buncee. I am going to click on create on Buncee 3.0. It is going to take me on the next page. You can see on my screen. Yes. You can see on my screen, the first page is coming, start from scratch.
Right.
So, start from scratch. So here you can see, as we have already discussed, we can create anything on using this Buncee platform. So whatever coming in your mind, because nowadays this is the 21st century and we are just dealing with this 21st century student. So you can see whatever coming in your mind in the creative manner, you want to show your presentation, your content, your topic. So this is one of the good platform. So here you can start with from scratch also, and just if I will scroll down, you can see so many templates are available here. Okay, you can use these templates as well. Only editing is needed. Suppose something is in your mind, you just want to get the idea how I can create Buncee. So you can use these templates. Okay.
Okay.
At the left hand side, you can just see there is the subject wise templates as well.
Right.
So like if I am the art teacher or music teacher, I want to create presentation on this. So you can just click on that button, and here you can see the templates according to your subject as well.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm just going to take this option, start from scratch.
Okay.
When you will click on start with scratch, here you will land and then you can see two options. First is click here to change background. As you all aware about the PowerPoint presentation, there also we are just putting the background to make our presentation very effective or very interactive for our children. So in the same manner you can do here itself. So click here to change background. So here I am going to change background for my presentation. You can see here lots of templates are available already in Buncy. You can use it from here, or particular subject, or you whatever you want to upload. Suppose you have created one background and which you would like to upload in this site, that also possible with Buncy. Trending, suppose whatever going on nowadays, whatever needed for that particular topic, it is going to be trending option. Okay, so you can use it from here also. So I am going to just take one topic, like for example, I am going to, with stamp. I just type it here. No need to go Google or just search on the next browser. I am here only on the Buncy platform. Here itself I can search. So I have just typed the 3 keyword stamp, and here I am going to just take one picture for the stamp. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see on my screen, when I click on this option, set my background, I can see this page or all page. For presentation, suppose I just want to put this background only one slide, not for all the slides. So I can just click on this page.
So
you can see on
you
my
can choose
page
different backgrounds for different slides.
Yes, you can choose different background for different slides.
Okay.
Okay, so if I will go again, I will click on the slide. If I am not finding good, so then I can select any other slides also with related to STEM. So here we can select any background for a PPT. Suppose I have selected this one, and then it will ask to you here itself, this page or all page. If you will click on all page, it is going to appear all the slides. Okay. So then I'm going to click on this page only. So now the beautiful thing or the beauty of this Buncy is, when you have clicked on this plus sign, you are going to find this 18 beautiful tools, and which is going to give you great help to create your content and make your student very engaged with your virtual class. So here is the text. If I want to take the text, or I just want to add any text in my slide, you can type it here. So this is the area where I can just type.
Okay.
STEM. Okay, you can move this text anywhere of your slide as well. Suppose I just want to resize, or I just want to put this at the middle, that also possible here. You can just do the dragging, and here you can just see at the bottom area, you can just bold your text. Suppose you want to in italic, you just want to appear in the italic in your text, so you can go for it italic. You can go for the underline also. These all are option available, which you can see on your MS Word as well.
Right.
Okay, so you can change it according to your requirement. And after that, the next tool, you can see on right hand side of the screen, it's written items. When you will click on this items, you can add more than one item here. So I'm just going to click on this plus sign, and again I can see these 18 tools. Now the next tool is shape. So you can add any shape. Suppose you are just going to create your worksheet, or you are going to create that assignment for mathematics. So you can take the circle, triangle, any shape from here. So I'm going to just take this triangle. I have added that triangle as well on my sheet, but it is coming at the bottom. I can just drag and put it anywhere of the slide. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will come to the third option. This is drawing. Yeah, suppose you would like to draw something in your this presentation, that also possible. I am not at all good at drawing with this mouse, so you can use this drawing tool as well in your presentation. After that, you can see Buncee 3D. Suppose you want to give the good feel of your presentation in your presentation, you are going to take this Buncee 3D picture as well. Suppose I'm going to take this picture, and you can suppose you want to search something new, so you can use this area, type a keyword to search. Suppose you want to search something new for your presentation, you can search it from here. No need to go and switch on the Google or other tab. Okay, so I am going to just add this one also. So here it is. I'm just going to set this as well. Then you can see Buncee Animation. If you will click on this Buncee Animation, here you are going to find for this all the blooming birds children, they are going to like this animation, because they very much attractive towards this animation and all that, because they are not at all able to always attract towards written work. So if you will click on this animation, so you are going to just add it, and here you can see this picture of animation, how beautiful it is. We can insert in our slide. Okay.
Wow. So you can insert multiple things in one slide.
Yes, you can add multiple items. You can add multiple slides as well. You can see on the screen. You can see at the left hand side, I can add the slides. Okay, and from the right hand side, it's written on the top. You can see items. So you can just click on this plus sign, and you can add number of items on slides.
Okay.
So after that, one more tool is there, that is the Bunsi Sticker. This is also a very beautiful tool. You can use any you have already created, or already you want to just search from your screen. Okay, I just want to put any flower picture or the sticker. That also possible here. So you can use these stickers from here itself. You can see I have added this sticker here.
Yeah.
After that, when you will click on this plus sign, then next is Buncee Messages. Suppose you are going to create any flyer, or you are just going to give remark to someone, or you are going to wish someone, or you are going to create greeting card. So these are the messages you can use your Buncee slide. So here I'm going to use just congratulations.
Okay.
And if we will click on this congratulations, then it is going to come on the top screen, add one. I'm going to just add it, this one also. So you can see on my screen, I can just resize also this. Suppose it's too large, it is going to cover my whole screen. I am going to just set this according to my slide.
Okay.
Yes, so this was the Buncee Messages. Then you will come to the emojis. Nowadays, everyone, whenever we are sending messages, emoji is very much in trend.
Yeah.
So you can see here these stickers, so these emojis here on Buncee. No need to go anywhere. Here itself, you can add any emojis from this emoji box in your slide. Suppose I am going to create this one in my slide. So you can just see how beautifully it's inserted in my slide. See, it is on the top. I can just adjust anywhere according to my needs.
Yeah.
Now the next option is available here, web images. Suppose any image which you are not finding here. Now you just want to search that image for your presentation. So you can just type it here, and it is going to be added in your slide. Now, then we will go to the next option. This is the 360 image. This is also very beautiful option available in Buncee. You can just type, suppose you want to search something. I just want to type like a calculator. or I am going to type anything else which required for your this presentation. So you can just type, search from here, and you can add. You can just add it, or you can just search from here itself.
Okay.
Now, suppose you have created, suppose you have already created something which you would like to add in your slide. So here is the upload option. You are just going to click on this upload option, and that file is going to get upload on your presentation. Now import URL. Now the time is the this OTB. Suppose you are just going to take your assessment for this open text. So some material is already is on the website. You can just put the URL. The child is going to click on that particular URL, and he or she can appear for that OTB exam also. Record video. Here itself, suppose in any presentation or any slide you would like to add your video, or you would like to just give this assignment to the children ki, okay, this is the your speaking and listening skill test, so just upload your video for on this topic, so they can upload here itself. After that, take photo. When the child is doing assignment, when the child is doing any project, they can take their photo here itself. Now they can ask any query here in the this paid form. After that, MCQ. Suppose you want to just add any query. You have created one presentation on the topic photosynthesis or STEM. Related to that chapter, you are just putting the same time. After the finishing this chapter, you are going to just take them one review questions, or you can easily insert here. Like suppose you have added any question related to STEM. So what is STEM, or you just want to catch the student side, okay, whether they all are here or they are roaming in anywhere else. So you can just check with this question area section also. You can just add the option, and then you can click on the save option. It is going to be added on your slide. So this is also one of the...
Was this a multiple choice question, or was it true or false?
It is possible, ma'am. If you will go for the multiple choice question, you can add multiple choice question also. You can add true and false.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the next is QR code. Suppose you have given assignment to the children. Okay, you have to create a poster, or you are going to create assignment on invitation card. You have to just create one invitation card. So they can create invitation card with this QR code also. It is available in this Bunsi platform. No need to go anywhere. You can use these 18 tools for your presentation. Okay. So this is all about these 18 tools. After that, how we can share this item or presentation with our children or with our friends. So here on the top, you can see share option is available. You can see on my screen, share option is available on the top. You can just click on this button, share.
Ma'am, share option is next to which other option?
Yes, ma'am.
Next to the share option, there is one more option. What is it?
Yes, this is the preview option. Suppose you have created your presentation, right? After that, just you would like to see how the children side, they can see this presentation. So if I will click on this preview button, first of all, I have to give the name of this presentation. Yes, you can see when I will click and save this file, it is going to be saved on this Bunsi platform only. And this is the look of what I have created. Like suppose I have created this one. You can see on my screen whatever item I have.
Okay, so like you can see, Bunsi is a very interesting platform where you can create your presentations using various types of different backgrounds, and you can add text, you can even add emojis. So there's a lot to know about Buncee, and like you saw, it's a 30-day free trial. So if you download it, the 30-day period is going to be free of cost, and well, there is an app as well for Buncee. If you want to download it for Android or for iOS, you can even do that very easily. So Buncee, like ma'am said, that it's a web-based tool, and like she was showing us so many things. Adding emojis was one of thing, adding pictures, and I would really like to know whether you can add videos in it or not. So let's talk to our expert, and she's going to explain it further, that whether we can add small videos or GIFs to it or not. So let's continue this discussion, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So when I will click on this preview button, you can see on my screen whatever we have created for our children, they can see in this manner. This is the student view. Whatever I have created, whatever item I have inserted on this page form on Bunsi slide, these are available for the students. Okay. So now the time for share. How we can share this script, this presentation with our children or with our friends. So when I will click on this share option, you can see on my screen settings, code, email, share with Bunsi user, Rsvp, social, download.
Okay.
After
we
that,
can see all these options.
Yes, these are the options which is available on Bunsi. So who can view? Suppose this is the drop down. From here you can do all the setting. Who can view your presentation? Anyone with a link. We are going to create one link also. Specific Bunsi user. Suppose you have created one class here, and after that only those children can see your material or your content. That option is also available. Only me. You have created your presentation and you don't want to share that one to everyone. So you can just click on only me option also. So here I'm going to just click on anyone, or we can go for the anyone with a link also. So here I have just clicked on the anyone.
Okay.
Comment table. Suppose somebody has seen your presentation and they just would like to give their comment on it, or they just want to do something with your slide also. So you can just give the tick mark, or you can just stop also. Nobody can comment, only they can see your presentation.
Okay.
Copyable. Suppose you have created your slide and it is going to helpful for other your friends or your student also, so they can just copy this presentation. Okay.
Right.
After that, the second is code. When you will click on this code, you can see on my screen two options are available. One is link and one is embedded code. So when you will share this code with anyone, they can see your material which you have created. Right?
Right. Ma'am, if you want to share the link on, let's say, any of your social media platforms, so would you copy the link or would you embed the link?
Yes, I will take you on that option also. So here is the option is social media. When you will click on this social media, so it up to you. You would like to just share your that presentation through Facebook, Twitter, pin it in LinkedIn. This Teams also, you can share this link here itself.
Okay.
No need to copy and paste. Okay. Suppose you just would like to copy this code for all your student are on Google account or your Google Classroom. There also you can just paste this code. They can join your class.
Okay. And is there any limited number of students or participants who can join, or it's unlimited?
Yes, because we are using this premium version, free version. When we will switch to one paid one, so there more children can join. But yes, there is the way we can just create 2-3 more classes over there. So most of the student can join you.
Okay, but any limited
and
number?
yes,
Any limited number?
yes, you can just create your class with the 40 number.
40. Okay.
40, yes. Now, here is the space share with Bunsi user. You have created your class, and after that, when you will click on this share with Bunsi user, you can just click on this button, and you can share with your all the users, those who are using Bunsi. After that, the next option is Rsvp. Suppose you just want to send this link who already on the this Bunsi platform, and they just want to add it on your this presentation, that also possible. Social media, you have seen already how in social media no need to go anywhere, copy paste. We are going to just click on this button, and your presentation or your content is going to be whatever content you have created here, that is going to be shared with your friends. After that, this is one beautiful option which you will definitely like. This is a download. Suppose I have created a presentation. Now the child is not able to just catching that power key. Okay, I'm not able to go on this code, or I'm not able to find out where it is in the email. So this download option is available here. You can download this Bunsi PPT which you have made, the presentation or material or assignment which you have created using this Bunsi. You can download in PDF format also. Okay, suppose one or two picture is there, or you have created 18 slides on this this Bunsi platform. Now you just want to take the JPG format or PNG format of one or two picture. That also possible. You can see on the bottom, I have created only 2 slides. Suppose I just want to take the screenshot of it, or I can just take the PNG or JPG format of these picture. That also possible here. If I want to create this PDF option, that also we can download from here itself.
Okay.
Now I will just take you back on my first page, dashboard only. So there I'm just going to show you how you can create your classroom. Like you are creating your classroom in MS Teams, you are creating classroom, and there's a Google Classroom also. So in the same manner, you can create your classroom on Bunsi platform. So on the top, you can see classes.
Yeah.
So when you will click on this classes button, you will find new class. I have created one class, 10th AB. There is 0 students. Whosoever is going to join this class, the number is going to be seen on the top. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, you can see code as well. So here I'm going to create one new class for you. So like if you will see class name, I'm going to just type the class name here. A. Now here I'm just going to put subject and grade. I have created 12th class, so here I'm going to just select grade 12 and then click on create button. I have to just type the full name, or I have to go for the other subject. I have used the short form of it, that is why it is not going to take. That is why I'm just going to type this name of mathematics, or I have to go for the computer science.
Okay.
So here you can see, if you will write in short form, it is not going to take. You have to write the full name of that subject.
Okay.
After that, just click on this create button.
So, like you saw that there are various subjects on which you can use Bunsi, and you can make presentations using all the tools ma'am just showed it to us. And irrespective of what
When you will
you can learn from this presentation, if you have anything to share with us, you can simply send it on our email ID, which is ciet.kishoremanch@gmail.com. We always wait for your replies, for your questions, and even for the information you just want to share. Because sharing, if you share your knowledge with me and with us, we'll gain something, and it's the same for you. So these tools, these ICT tools we bring to you on this webinar, and they are very important for all the students, because now that you're studying online throughout, you have to learn these softwares today or tomorrow, because this is the new generation. And although we're not leaving the traditional way, but yes, online is the new method we are following. So Bunsi is one of the important softwares which you need to learn. You can download its app, you can ask your queries even later. If tomorrow you download it and you want to ask something, you can please feel free to question, send your questions, don't hesitate. Not tomorrow, not today. And let's continue with this discussion. So ma'am was telling us that how to create a presentation using Bunsi. Ma'am.
Yes, so you can see just now I have created one class. You can see on my screen, is it visible to you?
Not yet, ma'am. Yes, now it is.
Okay, so you can see on my screen, I have created one class with the name of 12th A. There is one code. When you will create your class, now automatically one code will appear on your screen, and it is different for different classes. Suppose you are taking 12th A, 12B, or you are going to create class for 10th, 9th, and just you have created one class now. So there the different tool number is there, code is different for all the classes. Okay, so here you can see on my screen as well, I have created 10th AB, 12th A. So you can see the difference, the code is different available here on my platform.
Yes.
So I can invite my student to just join this class with this code also. This is all about how we can create class on this platform, Bunsi.
Okay.
Now, this is the very beautiful tool available. You can just click on this Ideas Lab. This is one of the good tool which I find, and I love this tool because here you will get the idea how you can create your presentation, how you can engage your student for different subject. You have different ideas. So definitely you will love this because here you have seen so many ideas they have uploaded. You can not exactly you can make, you can just modify, you can use your creativity or using this Bunsi tools, and you can create also material here itself.
Okay.
So this is the Ideas Lab for different subject. You can use it. Like here it's written practice giving direction. This is for the social studies. Explore basic story structure. Suppose the English teacher is going to create going to explain the story to their students, so they can use these ideas for create their classroom very engaging on this virtual platform.
Okay. So ma'am, this platform is definitely very helpful to the students. And how easy or difficult it is for a teacher to create a classroom?
It is not at all difficult for the teachers to create class on this platform. Again, I will take you on that page how they can create class, and this is very user friendly platform. Believe me, when the teacher or the student will visit this on this page, now they will find it is very easy. This is very user friendly platform.
Okay.
So shall I show you how we can create class here?
Ma'am, we've got 10 minutes left. So if you can quickly show us please
Yes,
do
yes.
that.
Sure. So when you are going to click on this plus sign, on the top you can see the classes option, this
Yes,
button.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When you will click on this classes, you are going to land on this page. Here you can see new class. So I am going to just click on this new class. One window will appear on your screen. Here you are going to just write your class name. Then I am going to create 9th A. Then subject, here I am going to put computer science. Then here you are going to just select the grade. So I have created for 9th class. I have selected grade 9. Then click on create option. This tab is available at the bottom. When you will click on create, your class is going to be created on your dashboard. You can see on my screen. Can you see on my screen?
Yes, ma'am. We can see 3 classrooms you have created.
Yes, so you can see 9th A, 0 student. When the child is going to join you, you can see now how or number of student has joined your class.
Okay.
After that, code is there. This is the code. You can invite your student to just put this code. They are going to just put this code and they can join directly to your class.
All right. That sounds not at all difficult. Ma'am, if we talk about this website being free, it said 30-day trial. So for 30 days, it's a trial version, which is a free version. And after that, it's a paid version.
After 30 days, if you have used more and more this Buncy, they are going to extend because you are just using their website or this platform for your creating the study material or content or presentation. So they are extending also. There is no issue. You can go for the free version only. Don't go for the premium in this stage. You can just use it for free also.
Okay, that is great.
Free for you, sir.
All right. Ma'am, if we talk about the app, so is it available for Android and for iOS both?
No, ma'am. This is only right now. It is only available on iOS. You can just, those who are using iPhone, they can just download this from their app store. But yes, it is in the Google Chromebook. They can use browser only, not on the app. All app is in this Android. It is not going to support you. It is not there.
Okay. All right.
You can use iPhone from Play Store. From the App Store. You can easily download this iOS format is there for the Buncy.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. No problem. Maybe in future they'll have something for Android users as well.
Yes, sure, ma'am. When the user are going to be increased, definitely this technology, within a second, this technology is going to take place in your life and it is going to be changed.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, like you showed us, so there was a particular code written on the classroom. So that is for students to be used, right?
Yes, you can share with your friends also. You can share with your co-faculties as well.
Okay, all right. And ma'am, initially when you were showing us the list of subjects on the left hand side corner, you said there are so many subjects. So basically every subject is available, be it maths, be it science, be it arts, anything and everything?
Yes, you can see on the this dashboard when you are going to create any slide. Now I'm just going to take you on that page also.
Okay.
It is available for all the subject, maximum subject which we are teaching in a school level. You can find it here itself.
Okay. All right. And ma'am, so because you are going to share these classes, these presentations with your students, so you use it for particular class, as in class 12th or class 6th or class 3rd, or is it available or accessible to all level of students?
This platform is anyone can use. any age group, they can use this platform. It is very safe platform, and we can use this platform for K to 12.
Okay, wonderful. Now that is
And
a
if the
good.
higher studies, like if you will go for these college students, they can also use this platform to create their project. They can create their assignment. They can just do the collaborative work here itself.
Okay, that sounds good. If it is useful for all level of students.
Yes, right.
Okay, and ma'am, when you were showing us that you can use emojis and you can use images, so you were dragging one on one. Can you drag
Yes.
two emojis or let's say two
Yes.
images at the same time?
Yes, we can select more. Like we are just doing, just clicking. We are selecting multiple items now. You can select multiple items here itself.
Okay, all right, ma'am.
Yes, you.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see on
Can
the
you show
screen.
us?
Can you see on my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the dashboard of my ID. You can see here, you were asking about the subject. See how many subjects are available. Even physical education, you can see science, social science, event and invitation, flyer you can create from here. You can create greeting cards, holidays. If you are just going to create flyer for your project, you can create from here itself. Now the portfolio, the children can create their portfolio using this Bunsi.
Wonderful. This sounds
No
good.
need to go any platform. They can use this platform Bunsi, and no need to switch again and again on the new tab. From here itself, they can create their portfolio as well.
Okay, all right.
You can see scrapbook, poster, all the options are available. They can use it. These are the very beautiful tool which is going to enhance their creativity.
That's a lot of variety.
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, we saw the Idea Lab. Can you elaborate that Idea Lab a little bit?
Yes, ma'am, in this Idea Lab, you will find all the option which is upload, like English teacher, the teacher is going to teach something, or she just want to take the idea, okay, how I can take this storytelling assignment or project or activity for my children. So through this Idea Lab, they can easily switch on the tab, and they can take the ideas from here, how the other teacher are doing these activities.
Okay.
See, if you will see the interdisciplinary area, how the social science teacher they are using, how they are giving the project. So we can take these ideas from this Idea Lab. This is one of the beautiful tool here, which is going to give you idea how you can work with your student.
Okay.
For different subject, you can see science, some are at home, how the science teacher has created this presentation for their student, for her subject.
Okay, all right, ma'am. I think you have clarified most of my doubts, and there are so many comments and compliments for you from our audience's side, and they are just saying that you have explained it pretty beautifully, and it was a wonderful session. And Madhusudan, one of our viewers, he is saying he is asking how to transfer the PPT in Bunsi tool to another platform. I think you have already answered this question, that you can use the link and put it on your social media platforms. So I hope, Madhusudan, you have got your answer, and thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us and for explaining this wonderful tool to me and to our viewers as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tanvi and NCERT, CIT, to giving me this chance, sharing this platform, and I have shared my ICT tool with you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care. Thank you to all the viewers as well. You joined this session, you saw and you participated as well. So stay with us, and in the same manner, please send your queries, your compliments to us in the next session as well, which is going to be on personality development for social emotional well-being. So this is going to be a Sahayog session, guidance for mental well-being, in a short while from now. So stay with us, don't go anywhere. Stay healthy, stay happy, and also stay safe. Thank you. Namaste.